Welcome to USA Car Review, where we bring you no-nonsense, expert insights on the latest rides. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado, a midsize truck that's turning heads with its bold styling, powerful engine, and tech-loaded interior. But the real question is, does it live up to the hype, or are there deal breakers you need to know? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether the new Colorado is worth your hard-earned money, or if you should keep looking. Let's talk about power, because no truck is complete without it. The 2025 Colorado boasts a 2.7L turbocharged engine, pumping out up to 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. That's serious muscle for towing, hauling, and off-road adventures. But here's the catch: do those numbers translate to real-world capability, or is it all just marketing? Step inside, and you'll see that Chevy has stepped up its game. The interior is modern, featuring a massive 11.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system. It's a high-tech experience, but let's be real, are these features practical, or just distractions? Now, let's talk about safety. Chevy has packed the Colorado with advanced driver assist features, including forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring. These aren't just fancy add-ons, they could mean the difference between a close call and a disaster. But the real question is, does this tech actually perform when it matters most? And of course, fuel efficiency is a major factor. The Colorado delivers up to 22 mpg combined, which is solid for a midsize truck. But compared to the competition, does it hold its own, or will frequent gas station stops be the trade-off for all that power? So, should you buy the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado? If you want a truck that blends power, technology, and safety, it's a strong contender. But if you're after something that redefines the segment, you might want to explore other options. Before you go, don't miss this next video, it might just change the way you think about trucks forever. Click now and keep the journey going.